Where's that?
Where? Oh yeah.
Have you got a picture of it yet?
That's cool. Hold on, we'll have a look in a second. There goes the